Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know it's been a long time. It's Bitcoin Chris checking in once again with the Bitcoin price. And I think the last time that I was talking to you guys, it was around the time FTX happened. So, it's been a while. So, what I'm going to do is jump into the Bitcoin price. All right, you guys. So I have Market Cipher, and what I'll do is if you guys want to use Market Cipher as well, I'll put the link in the description below, and you can use the same indicators that I have here, and it pretty much helps you trade. I've been pretty successful with it thus far. Shout out to Crypto Face. All right, so let's jump over into the daily first. So we'll go ahead and start with the daily. On the daily, looks like we are still got this green here is the money flow. So whenever the money flow is green and it starts to increase, we know that the price is pretty much coming up. And then the blue line is trigger waves. So we call that the trigger waves. And these red dots mean sell, green dots mean buy. So pretty simple, pretty easy. And for the most part, on the daily, looks like we are flagging up here. If you guys don't know what a flag is, a bull flag is, it's pretty much this pattern here. You take, this would be the pole. Then you would create a flag pattern. And then the distance that this should go up by, doesn't mean it's guaranteed, but should go up by, should be this length here. If I can grab it. That's 3 times. That's 4 times I try to grab it. And 5 times. Let's see if we can grab it. What is going on? There it is. Finally. Okay, cool. So the target would be 27,000 to 28,000. That would be your target for your bull flag. But as you can see here, the trigger waves looks like it's coming down a little bit, but it looks like it's starting to curve back up a little bit. So we'll see how this plays out. This is the VWAP, the yellow line, and the VWAP helps you as well determine the direction. So let's jump down to the 4-hour. 4-hour, we have a red candle. So for the last 4 hours, we were coming down. But as you can see, look at this trigger wave on the 4-hour. We got the green. So if you would have got in here long the last 8 hours, you could have made some good money. And as you can see here, red dot, we have a red diamond and a red X, and we just came down. So that was, what day was this? Tuesday. So from Tuesday all the way down to Wednesday. $7 in the morning. So you could have had a nice little trade if you were shorting at that point. Let's see what that would have been. 5%. So 5%, if you did 10x leverage, that's 50%. 50% of 1,000 is, for an example, if that's what you're trading with, that's $500 you could have made in 1 day in 4 hours. So that's how you want to kind of look at this and gauge the trades. So let's jump down to the 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart, as you can see, we have red money flow. So that means the money is leaving the asset. So that means we're going to see some downward price action. And as you can see, downward price action has happened. Now, at this trigger wave here, it looks like we're about to come down a little bit more. This could be a nice little fake out. Let's see if I can draw this. Where's the... Oh, there it is, brush. All right, cool. So what we could right, let's try that again. All right, so what we could possibly have happen is this. Down and then back up. Or it can come all the way back down here and then all the way back up. So we don't know what's going to happen. This could be a fake out, but I do think that we break out of this bull flag and that we head upwards. But you don't know. You have to react to what the market is doing and not try to predict what the market is doing. That way you make money instead of losing money. So let's jump down to the 30-minute chart. Same here, we got this coming down, so I think we're gonna have some sells probably until in the morning, and then we'll pump again, in my opinion. Let's go down to the 12-minute chart, and that'll be the last chart that I'll look at here. Actually, I'll do the 17-minute. Yeah, and we're coming down here on the 17-minute chart as well. So short term, I think we're gonna drop down pretty significant. Oh, not too bad. Maybe 200. Maybe we come back down to 24,000. I think that's probably where we'll come down. If we lose that, we could definitely see these lower levels again. So 23.5. If we lose these levels here, 24.1 and 24,000. All right, so that's pretty much my analysis of what I think is going on and what I think is going to happen. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at ChrisKnight407. And also make sure, if you guys want to get $10 free Bitcoin, sign up for Swan Bitcoin and make sure you DCA, because we all know Bitcoin's going to the moon. You want to have as much as you can. Shout out to everybody that's following me and that is in the space. Well, see you next time. I'll be posting more videos, guys. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Peace.